Hey guys, MeLikeBigBoom here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your signs beyond just simple text. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply bold, italic, and colorized text to your signs as well as text that combines all of those things together. To start, as of version 3.13.6.0, there are 4 different types of signs: maple, pine, birch, and metal. Their crafting recipes will be on the screen right now, and after being placed, pressing F on them will bring up a screen that lets you type up to 200 characters to appear on the front of the sign. Typing a simple "Hello World" will look like this, but as you can see here, there are a lot more things that can be done to the text to help make your base's sign look a lot fancier than your neighbors. To start, let's go over bold and italic text. For bold text, add a less than sign, the letter B, and a greater than sign before your sentence, and then add the same thing except with a slash in front of the letter B after the sentence. Almost all basic HTML tags will utilize this whole less than or greater than symbol with a slash on the ending point, so be sure to get used to it. Italicizing text is exactly the same thing as making text bold, except instead of typing the letter B, type in I instead. Now, moving on, we have colorized text. This, as discussed before, still uses the less than and greater than symbol with a slash on the end thing, but since we have to indicate the color, it's a little more complicated. So in this instance, if we want to make the text in red, we would need to add a less than symbol, the word color, then an equal sign, the hexadecimal color code that you're looking for. Like a decent red is #800,000, and then a greater than symbol, all placed before the text. Then after the text, we'd add a less than symbol, a slash, the word color, and then a greater than symbol. Now click right and the word is now in red. Additionally, as you can probably see, the formatting pattern is now becoming pretty clear. Also, hexadecimal color codes can be found on Google, though I'll link a nice website where you can retrieve different codes in the description down below. Now lastly, to make things even more fancy, you can combine everything I've just taught you into one sentence, creating a bold and italic and colorized "Hello World" sign. Not even joking, you can make it look like this and it's super fancy. Just be sure not to mess up the positioning of your HTML tags, like work in layers. So start by making the text bold and then enclose everything you've just typed in the italic tags, and then enclose everything again in the color tags. Now here, I made the "Hello World" text change from normal to red and bold and italic, and even crazier, you can have the header of your sign be italic and bold and colorized or whatever, and then have other parts of the sign just be bold or just be italic, or maybe have a little bit of both, and maybe have some words be certain colors, etc. And I mean, that's probably pretty self-explanatory, you know, just applying those certain tags to that certain, you know, word, and then having different tags for other words. But at this point, you should be able to create signs just like this using the techniques that I just taught you. Now, it may seem uselessly complicated for a sign that'll probably be destroyed in like a matter of seconds, but after making the first one, you can just copy the big chunk of text, and then if it gets destroyed, you can just paste it in a new sign in a matter of seconds. So you can consistently have fancy signs for your base. Anyway, that's how to customize signs in Unturned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and do all that gibberish, because MeLikeBigBoom is out.
Small loan of $1 million.